Top of the morning, everyone. My name is Tshidi. I'm back yet with another video, and today I'm going to be discussing the top 5 things that you need to actually remove from your resume in 2021. These are things that are not relevant anymore, and you don't have to be having that. Resumes needs to be different. They need to change, and you need to make sure that it's short, it's straight to the point, and it tells the people exactly what you want them to know about you. Now, there's currently quite a lot of websites. I've done a video recently where I was taking people through what canva.com can do for you from a platform point of view when it comes to creating, the best resume out there. There's a lot more other platforms that exist that are also free, but these are the top 5 things that you need to actually remove from 2021. Number 1, the cover page that always says Curricula Vitae off in font 68 or font 100. Nobody ever needs that. Please remove that, because that was so 1999 and no recruiters actually ever sees any value in that, and you also yourself don't see any value in it, so please remove it. So any cover pages that do not add value, please make sure that you remove them from the trains that are on that. It's not necessary anymore. Please, let's get rid of that. Number 2 is religious affiliation. It's not going to help you with your job, so I don't see any reason why you should actually have what religion you are. So please make sure that you actually remove that from your resume. Number 3 is remove your street address. Now, the street address, depending on the country, for example, I'm currently in Switzerland, and here it's one of the things that's very important, especially because some companies pay for certain relocation allowances if you're moving from one area to another, depending on the distance that you are. But in most countries, please do remove your street address, because there's so many people out there that are not necessarily always going to be looking out for your best interest. So let's avoid putting your street address on your resume. It's not going to help you. And also the other thing that I always say is please also remove your full ID document. You can put, especially for South African citizens, you can put the first 6 numbers, 4 X's in the middle, and the last 3 numbers. Don't put the middle part. It's not necessary to actually have that. Number 4 is fancy font with decorations. Once again, it's a professional document, so please keep it clean, keep it simple, and canva.com actually allows you to be able to do that. Stop putting these capital letters where it seems like you're screaming at the recruiter. Simplify it. It's a professional document. Make sure that the font is not the one that people are going to look at and say, what is this person trying to achieve? So just keep it as simple as possible. And lastly, things like your marital status, your health status, your full ID documents, and unprofessional email addresses. Please make sure that you remove those, because once again, they do not add any value to your job hunt. So for me, those are the top 5 things that you need to remove from a resume as of 2021. Number 1 is cover page that means nothing, which is Curricula Vitae off XX whatever. Remove that. Number 2 is religious affiliation. Your religion has got nothing to do with your ability to be able to do the job. Number 3 is your street address or your full ID number, especially in certain places where identity theft is very high. Please avoid doing that. Number 4 is fancy font with decorations around the CV with 10 different colors where it looks like it's a Christmas tree. Please, once again, remove that. And the last one is your marital status, your health status, your ID, unprofessional email addresses. Please make sure that you remove that. Those are the top 5 things that you need to remove as of 2021 on your resume, as it is very, very important that you don't have them. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Remember, it's free, and don't forget to hit the like button and make sure that you hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I load a video like this one.